Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will be unboxing our new Maxi set, Nuit. This set comes in a beautiful package with 4 mini gel shades. You also get a nail file and cuticle stick, and 20 removal wraps, and the lamp that will also work for pedicures. Just slide the bottom tray off for a perfect pedi. Now you are ready for prep work by pushing cuticles back and filing around and surface of the nail. Clean off dust and oil and we can start to paint. Let me introduce you to Enchanting Rouge, a stunning romantic red. This shade is sold exclusively with the Maxi set. The Maxi LED lamp will cure your nails in just 60 seconds. Midnight Blueberry is a striking navy blue that is glam all year round. Once you've cured your nails for 60 seconds, they are instantly dry and glossy. Blush is a classic must-have shade. It's a sheer pale pink that's the perfect base for any nail art, or a perfect neutral for a clean aesthetic gel manicure. Clair de Lune is a perfect pearly white. This shimmery shade has a moonlight glow to it, and it's sold exclusively with this set. Pack everything up in the blue pouch for all your travels. And that's it, so like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!